start first. Got a full-size mirror. And you have your bed. You have your closet. We got the extra large cabin, or XL Sea Terrace Cabin. You got your safe, some storage compartment. You got some storage on the top, little cute baskets. You can put some stuff in there. Next to the bed, you got USB port. You got regular US connector plug. Draw the lights. This nice side table. You can always have to charge your cables. Any devices, put it in, next to your bed. That side, you got like an end table. You can move it around. You have some storage here under too. It's always good extras. A little hack. As well on the other side too, you can place stuff. Next to this bed, you have got some light switchers, and you have more ports, USB connectors. You have regular plug, nice chairs to rest. Then you have your little desk area, nice mirror decor. You got your water is included. Have a nice fridge. More storage compartment. Nice desk area, prep area. You got a stool. You can set up if you need to sit down and work. You got some switchers here. You can control to close the curtains or open it. If you ever press that one to close, so you can see the close out. To open it, I can press. That will open. You can as well control that with your iPad. So here's our balcony. We have a Sea Terrace extra large. You got the famous hammock. Two nice chairs. And this is our view of the boat. Nice view of Barcelona. Here's the view of your hammock. Balcony, or Sea Terrace has they called it here. Let's go over the bathroom. Part of the XL cabin. You got a little bit extra more space in your bathroom. You got your switcher. Your bathroom, so you have more space here on your counter. You got some storage at the bottom as well. Full-size mirror. You have your shower. Got rain shower, and as well. All of your cabins go with body wash, hair conditioner, and hair wash. Or if you don't like to use the product, you can bring your own, but they're very good. Moving on, you have good thing for the XL cabin. You have a private toilet, so you can shower. Somebody can shower, and somebody can be at the toilet without distraction. 2 towels, and there you go, full mirror there. Hope you enjoy the tour of your Until Sea Terrace Cabin.